So good morning researchers. I'm talking about in this video about the research, how to publish a good quality paper in a good quality journal. The journal may be depending upon your requirement, either you are pursuing your PhD, either you are pursuing your MTech, or you are an undergraduate BTech student. Okay, so the requirement lies on the shoulder of your institution or as per the UGC or AICD norms. If I'm talking about if you are pursuing a PhD, then you must have your engineering a background student. You must have your publication in either Science Citation Index expanded journals or in Scopus-indexed journals. So from where we can find the number of journals that are indexed with Science Citation Index or Scopus. So for Scopus, you can refer the scopus.com. There will be a large number of journals that are well indexed with Scopus. So you can search on Google www.scopus.com. So there you will find the 50,000 journals will be there. So depending upon your area, like if you are in the materials, if you are in your physics, if you are in applied sciences, chemistry or mathematics, applied mathematics, you can have different number of journals there. So you can put your keywords there on the search journal option title. So there will be less number of journals that will be applicable for your area, and you can choose that journals and visit the publisher website and the journal page. There you can find the different indices, like how many time it will take for first submission to the first decision by either by the editorial board or either by the reviewer side, and after acceptance how many time it will take for acceptance to publication. So there are many number of like or other factors like impact factor, SCI impact factor, or quartile, Q1, Q2, Q3, everything will be mentioned there. If I'm talking about the Science Citation Index journals, if you're pursuing PhD, then you can have the publication in either of the publication in SCI-indexed journal. So if you are from engineering background, you must have the requirement to publish 2 papers in SCI. So the number of journals of SCI index you can find on the Clarivate Analytics website. In the Clarivate Analytics, you can have the n number of journals again, and according to your specialization, according to your area, you can put your keywords related to your domain of research area, so that the number of journals related to your domain will be open. On the left palette of Clarivate Analytics, there are categorization of SCI, ESCI, SSCI, AHSCI, and also there are the options of open access journals, or you can have quartiles also. Okay, you can access the journals through Clarivate Analytics, or we have the specific elsewhere publication journals also, where you can have your elsewhere journal finder. The publisher elsewhere have different set of journals also, so their requirement will be as per the need of your PhD. If you have a good publisher like Elsevier, Taylor and Francis, like Springer, like Wiley, everything, you can have your own set of requirements according to your institution where you are pursuing a PhD. So I'm talking about the journal finder and Clarivate Analytics website. So we have different set of journals, different set of platforms through which we can search your options. Okay, so there are certain requirements for publication of PhD, and we can have everything in that. So thank you.